Hello there YouTubers, and welcome to another DrCassette video. Today we are going to unbox something my friend yesterday received from eBay. And as you can see, the seller did a really bad job packing this, because all packing material it came with is this plastic bag. Usually you use it for filling in trash. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So of course, done really quick. That's it. Yeah, there's not much more packing material, and luckily it came in this bag here, and the bag already tells you that this is another camcorder. This is a camcorder bag, of course. So let's see what's inside. Well, I want to first, this compartment here. Let's see what's inside of there. Mystery things. And there they are. I have no idea what these are. Then this weird thing here. Don't know what that is. Then this part here for tripod use. A cable for hooking up the unit we're going to unbox, hooking that up to the car or boat or whatever. That's what inside here. Just quickly want to... there's also something in this part here. As you can see, little device and another little device, and this compartment here contains an antenna plug for whatever reason. Nothing in there. Nothing in... oh, there is something in there. Carrying strap for the bag. Now, the main compartment. Okay. An add-on lens. It's a really nice little thing. It actually, you can. It's a teleconverter lens, and also a wide-angle converter. Can hold this in front of the camera. You'll see the difference. That's of course the zoom part, and the other side is the wide-angle part. So that's interesting. Nice little thing. The manual, and this already tells you what this is. Yep. One battery, still in its original box, and another battery, and a part of the charger. The charger is very weird. You get this little part that you hook up to the power supply, and that's your charger. It clips onto the battery terminals. And this is, well, the charger and power supply. There you have it. Quite a big unit. Also has the connections for hooking up the camera to a television or whatever. Here it is. Here it is. Full-size super VHS. This is. There goes the viewfinder. That's the camera. Really nice. Okay. To my own surprise, it survived the shipping. And we also get some matches. As you can see. It's kind of weird. And that's it.